Hello，早上好，欢迎来到客服 YouTube 频道。Hello, welcome back to Leum YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I will be show you how about to create the transparent effects by using Adobe Photoshop. Okay, go to Photoshop. First, create new file. Yeah. Edit templates, print select and write down here. Example. Transparent. Effects. Okay, example. Right. Next, grease. Okay, first have finished. Next step, we will be create background first. Okay, so first go to the file and place in base. Yeah. Yes, place. So go to the image that we have prepared, and you can select for any image. Select and press. Okay, easy. First create background. Okay, in this case, to select and adjust the scroll here. Adjust from the top left right. Okay, up to you. After after finish, after enough, that's good. Okay, next step, go to the right keys and go to the rasterize layer first for this step. As we have here, remove this breakout for we begin for the others image. Okay, no problem, up to you. In this case, I will be remove the breakout beginning. Is we just only need the table here. Okay, so go to the select tool, yeah, rectangular tool, select, yeah, and drag down to the top, yeah. After that, press delete in keyboard, yeah. Okay, perfect right now. Okay, Control D to escape, yeah. Perfect. Okay, next, insert for the others image, yeah. Go to the file and press embrace, yeah. This one says select for this image. Okay, this image, no problem, up to you according to the desire about this. Okay, select this one, and after that, press adjust, make a score bigger right now. Okay, just right top. Okay, perfect. Okay, if good enough, okay, press right up. Okay, goes after this. Okay, and drag down to the behind of the table. Okay, perfect. For the next step, I would like to check this for discuss blur ratio. Okay, select this one and go choose for this. It is select this one. Go to the filter. Select this one. Right click first and go to the rasterize layer first. It was similar for the last we have select. Okay, select this one and go to the filter. Scroll as to blur and select the cushion blur here. Cushion blur, adjust radius pixel right. Okay, up to you. According you decide. Okay, it's good enough. Right, okay, no problem. If we would like to check for it. Blur here, just okay. It's okay. After that, select for the first one and select the second one, and go to the create groove. Create a new groove. Okay, break down. Okay. After select this one, locks here. Select so. Okay, perfect. Right now, first step we have finished create the breakout. For any step we will be insert to the app. Okay, select. So five and go to place embed. Yeah, this case select the apple. Yeah, place right now. Okay. In this case for the apple is you have a breakout for us. We would like to remove here. This one selected okay for the first time. Okay, after that, right click, select the restaurant layer, and then go to the select property and go to the quick remove the background here. Okay, perfect. For the next, we have finished remove background of the right click here. Select this one and go to right apply layer. Okay, perfect. I finished. For the first step, we have instance for the library. For the next step, select this one and Control D to duplicate. To duplicate for the second and the first. Close eye and select for the second that we have been copied. Select this one and go to the go to the image and go to the adjust. Select the desaturate. Desaturate. Okay, for the next steps, go to the normal and change to the screens. Okay, perfect. Right now. Okay, for the next steps, go to the mouse, select this one and select tool, brush. Go to the brush and select the brush here. For example. Genie brush, we come to the horse here. Okay. Okay. Okay, nice. Right now. Let's open this. Okay, quick zebra to like this. Okay. Let's Control I to inverse here. Okay, good. Next step, we will insert press and go to the press image and select this one, and we will be cut for the chisel. Slide off the apple. Okay, select and go to restoration. For this step, we select this tool, quick select tool, and right down here. Okay. Control G to duplicate. Okay, right now, and this one close eye, or we can delete the problem. After that, right select tool. Select this one. Go to the selection tool and right down. Adjust this. Example. Here. Okay, right now it's almost finished of the functionality. Sorry. Nice. For next stage, we will be insert to the fish inside to the apple. Okay. So go to the try and place image and select the fish here. Right now, as good is okay, and right click select the rest layer. Okay, and go to the property and remove. Okay, right now, please remove already. For next step, we will just and go to the rest tool and select the one fish. Sorry. Okay. Fish. Okay, right now we have cast fish to the inside the apple. Reduce opacity. Okay. Now, if we inside the apple, for the next step, we will insert the water splash here. So, create a new layer and go to the brush. In this case, go to the brush. During the brush, we select the water splash here. The water splash. Simple. Put the water splash similar like this. Example. So big. Reduce the water splash. Okay. Put down. After that, select and change the water splash big. This. move to the top. Okay. And chaining, select this one and go to the new layer, and in this one go to the brush. Okay, right now we have to drop shadow. Drop shadow. Move to the bottom of the apple. Similar like this. After that, finish, drags down to the bottom of the apple. Okay, perfect right now. That's all. I hope that this tutorial is useful for you. Finally, please don't forget like, subscribe, and hit the button to be receive notification whenever I have been uploaded the video clip into the YouTube channel. Okay, thank you very much for watching. See you next. Please, okay, bye bye.